Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by adding the font support libraries so Android can fetch Google fonts for you. Open the module-level build. Gradle and add the Android X font and core dependencies, then sync the project. Once done, make sure your app has network permission if you plan to request fonts at runtime. This step lets you use fonts in XML and the Downloadable Fonts API. It avoids bundling heavy font files and keeps APK size smaller while enabling dynamic font fetching. Next, declare a downloadable font family resource that tells Android which Google font to fetch and which weights you need. Create a font family XML in res/font specifying provider authority, provider package, and the query string that names the Google font and weights. Once declared, reference that family in layouts via Android, font family equals, at font/your family, or load it programmatically with resources compat. Get font. This approach lets the system cache and reuse fonts, improving performance and consistency across devices. Finally, run the app on a device with internet to allow the font to download and be cached. Verify UI using the new font weight and style. If it doesn't appear, provide a local fallback by placing the TTF in res/font or set a system fallback in styles. If problems persist, check the provider package and query string for typos, ensure internet permission is present, and clear app data to force a fresh font request. One key troubleshooting tip: incorrect query syntax is the most common cause of failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.